Hello. Welcome back to Story Time, boys and girls. I have two very fun stories to read to you today, and they're about some little birds, and I'll read them, and I think you'll like them. The first one we're reading is called 5 Fuzzy Chicks. Can you see them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And this is written by Diana Murray and illustrated by Sydney Hanson. And it's always fun to say those names so that you know who wrote them. Here's the first page. On the farm, it's been a long day. Sun is setting low. Night's on the way. Kind of getting ready. Yep, it looks like that girl is going to be feeding the cows some hay. Yep. And the boy is taking the horse back into the barn. Yeah. Says, everyone's tired, all the work's done, but 5 fuzzy chicks want to run, run, run. Look at them running right along. Look at that little brown one going very fast, and so is that one. They just want to run. I don't think they want to go to sleep yet. 5 fuzzy chicks run past the plow, into the grass, and under the cow. Can you see them there? The cow says, moo, moo. The chicks say, cheep, cheep. But the grass is so cozy. One chick falls asleep right there with the cow. Look how big that cow is. What next, huh? 4 fuzzy chicks skip by the pigs, hop on a rock, and dance silly jigs. They're dancing. Yes. The pigs say, you know what they say, don't you? Oink, oink. The chicks say, cheep, cheep. But the moss is so soft. We know, don't we? Yep. One chick falls asleep right there, right next to the pig. Yep. What's next? 3 fuzzy chicks, because not 5 anymore. 2 are asleep. 3 fuzzy chicks dance in the clover, hop past the fence, and right over Rover. What is Rover? Oh, the dog says woof, woof. The chicks say cheep, cheep. But one dog is so snuggly. Oh, look how snuggly he looks. Why won't these pages turn, right? There we go. Oh, we know. One chick falls asleep right on top of the dog's head. Oh my goodness. Well, what next? 2 fuzzy chicks skipping along pass by the horse and sing him a song. Yes, The horse says, "Neigh, neigh." The chicks sing, "Cheep, cheep." But the hay is so comfy. I know you know what's coming here, don't you? One chick falls asleep right there by the horse. Oh, how many are left? Only one? Wow. One fuzzy chick. There. One fuzzy chick is all. Out to have fun. Hops by the sheep and counts every one. The sheep say, "Ba, ba." The chick starts to cheep, but before she can finish, she falls fast asleep right on top of the sheep. That looks very soft, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh dear, they're all sleeping now. I know I missed a page. There we go. Okay. Chicks sleeping here, chicks sleeping there, in the grass, by the stable, chicks everywhere. Mama hen hurries to gather her troop. She scoops them all up and runs back to the coop. The coop is where the chicks and the hens are supposed to be. Oh, look, there she is. She's got them all. And some of them are still asleep, and some of them are a little bit awake. She whispers, "Cluck, cluck." The chicks whisper, "Cheep." And their nest is so quiet, 5 chicks fall asleep. That was fun to read. Oh, 5 fuzzy chicks. And they had a good time sleeping different places, didn't they? Did you ever sleep different places? Well, you will. Yes, you will. This one is about ducks. Do you like ducks? What do ducks say? Quack, don't they? Yes. This is called Ducks. And it's got a bunch of ducks in it. This is written by Deborah Underwood, and I like her books a lot. Here we go. Ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look what that one sees. What is that? Yeah, it's a butterfly, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, that duck looks at that butterfly and thinks, "Wow, I'd like to go see that." No ducks. Uh-oh. Remember what was in the pond before? 3 ducks, right? But no ducks there now. And that's Mama Duck, and she's like, "Where are my ducks?" Uh-oh. Let's go see. Ducks! Squawk, squawk, squawk. Oh, was it ducks, though? No ducks. Look what it was. It was some guys playing some instruments and making an awful sound. Squawk, squawk, squawk. That doesn't sound like good music, does it? Here she's calling them again. Ducks! Oh, but look what she sees. Does she see footprints? Yeah. Oh, and she thinks, oh, those feet look kind of like my feet to shape. So let's see. No ducks. Look what it was. It was a boy with those special swimming shoes on. Yes. They're shaped like duck feet, but they weren't duck feet, were they? Oh. All right, let's see what happens with her next. Oh, I have to go back a page here. Sorry. Then she sees, what does she see? Feathers. And she thinks, ducks? 'Cause they have feathers, right? Yeah. But it wasn't ducks, was it? No ducks. It looks like a boy and a girl, and probably a brother and a sister having a pillow fight. And some of the feathers are coming right out of their pillows. It's pretty silly. Now she sees something and she says, ducks? What does she see? She sees an egg, right? It's cracking open, but that's probably not her ducks, right? Ducks. No ducks. This little guy's in there and he says, Mommy? Oh, she doesn't look like she's his mommy, does she? No. I think he'll have to find his mommy someplace else. She says, ducks? And this sign says, duck sale. Toy ducks. Oh, those aren't the ducks she's looking for, are they? Those are toy ones like you might have in your tub. Yeah. And she says, no ducks! And there she is, very angry because she can't find her little ducks. In that whole city she's looked and she can't find them. Oh, she's got a little tear. You see the little tear coming out? Yeah, she's very sad because she can't find them. And then she sees a sign on a tree or a pole that says, lost dog. And she thinks, oh, maybe if I put something like that up, somebody will help me find my ducks. So she puts a sign up and it says lost ducks, and she draws a picture of her 3 ducks. And then she does even more. Look at all those signs she puts up. And they say, lost ducks, help! Duck, lost, help! Lost! Come home! And then a picture of a duck on the blue paper down near the bottom. This shows a duck with a question mark, like, I don't know how to come home, maybe. And a sign that says, help! Oh, she's certainly trying to find those ducks, isn't she? What do you think? Look what we see. What's running toward her? Oh, it looks like it's her ducks. Oh, her ducks are back at last. And her little ducks are bigger than she is because she's a little mummy. Yeah. And she's very glad to have them back. Ducks, she says. That was fun. I like reading that book. All right, let's see. I think we have time for a little quick song. Let's see. How about Twinkle, Twinkle? Can you remember your twinkling stars? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Well, that's all the time for today, but I had a great time reading to you, and I hope you had a great time listening to our 2 books about birds. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.